Orion Drive, Secret Propulsion Tech. In the hidden corridors of classified aerospace programs, where the boundaries of conventional propulsion technology are pushed to the extreme, one project stands out as the most ambitious and dangerous propulsion concept ever conceived: the Orion Drive. Officially described as a nuclear pulse propulsion system that uses nuclear explosions to propel a spacecraft forward, the Orion Drive was publicly discussed as an experimental concept in the 1950s and 1960s, but was eventually abandoned due to international treaties and concerns over nuclear fallout. However, according to whistleblowers, leaked documents, and insider accounts, the truth is far more complex and classified. The Orion Drive was allegedly never abandoned. It was perfected and classified under black-budget programs, becoming the foundation for a secret space fleet capable of interstellar travel. If these claims are true, the Orion Drive may have allowed humanity to explore distant star systems, encounter extraterrestrial civilizations, and establish a breakaway civilization operating beyond the control of Earth's governments. The official narrative: Orion Drive as a theoretical concept. Publicly, Project Orion was initiated in 1958 under the auspices of DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, and later transferred to NASA. The idea was radical but theoretically possible. A spacecraft would be propelled by detonating small nuclear bombs behind it, using the force of each explosion to generate thrust and accelerate the spacecraft to unimaginable speeds. Key features of the official Orion Drive. Concept: nuclear pulse. Propulsion: a series of nuclear explosions would occur behind a spacecraft, pushing it forward and allowing for rapid acceleration. High speeds for interstellar travel. Theoretical models suggested that Orion Drive spacecraft could achieve speeds of up to 10% the speed of light, 0.1 c, making interstellar travel within reach. Manned and unmanned missions. Project Orion was originally conceived as a manned mission to explore the outer planets, including Saturn, Jupiter, and beyond. Despite the technological feasibility, Project Orion was officially cancelled in 1963 due to the Partial Test Ban Treaty, an international agreement prohibiting nuclear explosions in space, effectively banning the use of nuclear propulsion. Public concerns over nuclear fallout. Fears about radioactive contamination of the Earth's atmosphere led to widespread opposition. Budget constraints and political pressure. The project was deemed too expensive and politically controversial to continue. But while the public narrative suggests that Project Orion was abandoned, insiders and whistleblowers tell a very different story. The secret continuation: Orion Drive, perfected in classified programs. According to multiple insider testimonies and declassified documents, Project Orion was never truly cancelled. It was transferred to classified black-budget programs that continued to develop and refine the technology. These programs, operating under the highest levels of secrecy, allegedly perfected the Orion Drive and deployed spacecraft capable of traveling beyond our solar system. The alleged secret advancements include miniaturized nuclear devices. Advances in miniaturized nuclear devices allowed for safer and more efficient nuclear pulses, eliminating many of the concerns about radioactive fallout. Radiation shielding and propulsion. Optimization. Improvements in radiation shielding and pulse control systems enabled the Orion Drive to function safely in space, protecting crew members and equipment. Antimatter-assisted propulsion. Some whistleblowers claim that antimatter technology was incorporated into the Orion Drive, increasing propulsion efficiency and reducing the number of nuclear detonations required. The secret space fleet. The Orion-class interstellar vessels. Insiders claim that the perfected Orion Drive became the foundation for a secret space fleet, known as the Solar Warden Fleet, or the Orion-class interstellar fleet, capable of traveling to distant star systems and exploring unknown regions of space. Features of the alleged Orion-class spacecraft include massive nuclear pulse. Propulsion systems. Orion-class vessels are believed to be several kilometers in length, equipped with nuclear pulse propulsion systems capable of achieving speeds close to 0.1 c, 10% the speed of light. Artificial gravity systems. The ships are said to utilize centrifugal force or advanced gravitational technology to provide artificial gravity for long-duration space missions. Self-sustaining ecosystems. Orion-class vessels allegedly house self-sustaining biospheres, allowing for indefinite missions and colonization of distant worlds. Destination: Proxima Centauri and beyond. According to leaked reports and whistleblower testimonies, Orion-class spacecraft have already traveled beyond the solar system, with missions allegedly reaching Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri, and other nearby star systems. Some sources claim that these missions have encountered extraterrestrial civilizations, leading to classified diplomatic interactions and technological exchanges. Extraterrestrial collaboration. Was Orion Drive reverse engineered? Perhaps the most shocking claim about Project Orion's classified continuation is that the technology was not entirely of human origin. According to some whistleblowers, extraterrestrial civilizations provided assistance or reverse-engineered technology that allowed the Orion Drive to reach its full potential. Evidence supporting extraterrestrial involvement. Whistleblower testimonies. Insiders such as Corey Goode, William Tompkins, and Captain K, Randy Kramer, have claimed that extraterrestrial factions provided knowledge of advanced propulsion systems to Earth's military-industrial complex. Recovered alien craft with propulsion systems. Some whistleblowers allege that reverse engineering of recovered alien spacecraft led to the development of nuclear pulse and antimatter propulsion technologies, joint human extraterrestrial space programs. Leaked documents suggest that classified space programs involving human and extraterrestrial collaboration have used Orion-class vessels to explore and establish diplomatic relations with other civilizations. The breakaway civilization, Orion Drive, and the Secret Space Program, SSP. If Project Orion continued in secret and was perfected, it may have given rise to a breakaway civilization, operating beyond the constraints of Earth's governments and public oversight. The role of Orion-class vessels in the SSP. Exploration and colonization. Orion-class ships allegedly transported human settlers to other star systems, establishing colonies and outposts beyond Earth. Off-world military operations. The Solar Warden Fleet, operating under classified directives, may be patrolling the solar system and defending Earth from extraterrestrial incursions. Mining and resource acquisition. Some sources claim that Orion-class vessels have been used for mining operations on distant planets and asteroids, extracting rare materials and exotic resources for classified purposes. The connection to UFOs and UAPs. Are we seeing Orion-class spacecraft? With the recent acknowledgement of UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena, by the U.S. government and the Pentagon's UAP task force, some theorists suggest that some of these craft may be part of the classified Orion program. Possible explanations for UAP sightings. Testing of advanced propulsion systems. UAPs observed moving at hypersonic speeds and making impossible maneuvers may be Orion-class craft testing advanced propulsion systems based on nuclear pulse and antimatter technology. Surveillance of Earth by breakaway civilizations. Some UAPs may be operating under the control of breakaway civilizations, monitoring human development and ensuring compliance with undisclosed agreements. Interaction with extraterrestrial civilizations. Orion-class craft may be engaging with extraterrestrial species as part of classified diplomatic missions. Why the secrecy? The cover-up behind Orion Drive. If the Orion Drive has truly been perfected and interstellar missions are already underway, why has this information been concealed from the public? Reasons for the secrecy. include preserving global power structures. Public disclosure of Orion-class technology would destabilize global power structures by rendering conventional energy and transportation systems obsolete. Avoiding mass panic and societal collapse. Revealing that humanity has already colonized other star systems could trigger mass panic, religious upheaval, and societal chaos. Protecting classified technologies. The technologies used in Orion-class spacecraft would revolutionize energy production, space travel, and defense capabilities, making them too valuable to disclose publicly. The implications. Are we already exploring the stars? If the Orion drive has been perfected and deployed, humanity may already be an interstellar civilization operating in secret. The implications for our species, our planet, and our understanding of the universe are profound. Humanity may already be a spacefaring civilization. Orion-class vessels may have already established human colonies in distant star systems, operating beyond Earth's control. Extraterrestrial contact may be ongoing. If Orion drive technology has enabled contact with alien civilizations, humanity may be part of a galactic network of civilizations. Breakaway civilizations may control advanced technologies. A breakaway civilization operating outside Earth's jurisdiction may be hoarding advanced technologies, ensuring that the majority of humanity remains unaware of our true capabilities. Is disclosure inevitable? As UAP disclosure and public interest in classified space programs continue to grow, the secrets behind the Orion drive and the classified missions it enabled may soon be revealed. But if humanity has already ventured beyond the solar system, the truth about our place in the universe may be far more extraordinary than we ever imagined. When the truth is finally uncovered, the world may learn that we have not only conquered the stars, we have been living among them for far longer than we knew.